Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Lindsey Beth. So today I'll be showing you guys how I achieved these 5 simple hairstyles using the Converti Cap and Bang wig from OUTRE. I received this hair from ebonyline.com in the color 1B. So for this hair, it comes with a booklet showing the different styles that you can achieve with the wig, as well as how to apply it, and it comes with the bang that comes with clips. I took this hair straight out of the package. I just took it out of the mesh cap. It comes with some clips on the inside, one large one at the front, 2 small ones at the side, and 1 at the back, and it also comes with a drawstring at the back as well. Alright people, so for this first style, it's gonna be so simple. I'm just gonna throw this wig on, and then I'm just gonna use the clips to grip into my hair. As you can see, I just have on a regular wig cap. I have my hair in just some regular twists. So if you want to kinner your hair, you can, but this was just really demonstration purposes. So I attached the wig, and then I'm just gonna use this headband that I have lying around, just like those headbands you use in your headband wigs, and I'm just gonna use that to cover the line of demarcation of the wig, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and fluff out the wig. Now if you don't want to use a headband, you don't need to, but I just preferred it. So this is style number 1, and I really like this one. Just simple, easy, on the go. So now we're going to move on to style number 2, and we're going to use the bang that came with the wig. The bang came with some clips, and honestly I'm just going to go ahead and attach the bang into the hair. I didn't want to have it gripping into my actual hair because that's going to be extremely painful during the day. So I just snapped it into the hair, and then I just fluffed it to hide any lines of demarcation, brought the hair forward, and boom, quick and easy. Style number 2, day to night. So for the third style now, I'm just gonna use my extreme wet line gel just to brush my hair back into one. So since this is just for demonstration purposes, I'm not just gonna do like the sectioning, and then I'm also gonna use my Fashion Plus 06 hair wax just to keep my hair sleek. As I was saying, it's just demonstration purposes, so I didn't do the typical sectioning to gather my hair in one. I just wanted something quick and easy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and brush my hair until it's sleek enough to my liking. You don't have to if you don't want to, but this is just how I'm gonna do it. Just gonna grab my hair tie scrunchie and just catch my hair, and then I'm just gonna put it in like a tiny bun. And of course, since my hair is on display, I'm just gonna do my edges just a little bit, nothing crazy. And because I want this style to stay sleek, I'm gonna tie it down. I'm gonna grab the hair. Oh wait, whoops, have to roll my hair up. If you want to make your bun smaller, you can, but the hair is curly and it's pretty big, so the hair is gonna hide it anyway. So I'm just gonna grab the hair. All right, so again, I'm gonna just grab the hair, and this is where we're gonna make use of the drawstring, and I'm just gonna use the clips and attach it to the bun. Just put the clips into my hair, not too tight because you don't want a headache. The major, that huge clip that I showed you earlier at the front, and then I'm gonna utilize the one at the back, and then I'm just gonna use the drawstring and pull the hair. So if you know the ponytails, the drawstring ponytails that we usually use back in the day before modern times, I guess it's the same concept. So after I pulled it around, I'm just gonna hook it with a pin, and voila, we have the ponytail. Onto style number 4 now. I'm just gonna twist that ponytail around, and I'm just gonna create a bun. I just use some bobby pins to just kind of twist the hair up. I mean, it's kind of like a bonus style, so I guess you can call it like 4B. And I'm just gonna use some bobby pins and hook the hair in place. Now originally I wanted to use the hair itself to create the curly bangs, but it was just too much and all over the place for me. So I just grabbed the bangs that the hair comes with and hooked it into my hair, not too tightly, and to create the curly bang bun style. Now bobby pins were my friend with this look, very easy. I actually really liked this one, and I'm just gonna, you know, zhuzh it up a little into place with a little bobby pin and just manipulate the hair a little bit. Then when I'm done, I'm just gonna fluff out the bangs, you know, making sure it's not in my eye too much. And when I'm done fluffing, we have our high bun with curly bangs style. I really like this style way more than I thought I would, so yeah. On to the fifth style, we're gonna do a half up, half down, high bun style, simple style. Everybody knows this one. I'm just gonna, as I said, demonstration purposes, so it's not gonna be neat, and the hair is curly, so it's gonna hide any imperfections. I'm gonna do the same thing, brush my hair as sleek as possible, or as sleek as you want. I'm gonna use this hair tie and tie it up, and then I'm just gonna put my hair into, well, the top half of my hair into a small bun. First I'm gonna twist it up and then put it into a mini bun. Then when I'm done, I'm gonna just tie it down and focus on the back. I'm just gonna grab the hair and attach it to the back half of my head using the big clip that I showed you earlier and the bottom clip. And then I'm just gonna do the same thing like I did with the ponytail and use the drawstring and pull it around it, and then I'm just gonna hook it in place with a bobby pin so that it stays in place. So it's like a ponytail for the back half of your head, if you want to think of it like that. Then I'm just gonna grab some of the hair and I'm just gonna use it to wrap around my teeny bun at the top, just to, you know, add some body and volume to my hair at the top. And then I'm just gonna secure this with an elastic band or a hair tie, whatever you have handy. So when I'm done with that part, I'm just gonna separate the hair and use it to kind of hide any demarcation or where I attach the wig to my hair. That's one thing I like with curly hair. You can get away with so much more than you would with straight hair. And I'm just gonna play around with it, separate it a little bit, you know, just to make it as big as you like and just to hide any imperfections. And we are done with the fifth style. Let me know if you guys have ever used this wig before. Don't forget to follow me on all socials at _ Lindsey Beth, and follow Ebony Line at, well, Ebony Line on all socials as well. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Till next time, bye guys.